Hi, I'm Alan.
And I'm Karen.
Welcome to Braggin's Adventures Quick Stops. Hi friends, Alan Braggin's here again with Braggin's Adventures Quick Stops. We're making a quick stop here at the Ethel Chocolate Factory Tour in Henderson, Nevada. Come on along. So this is a self-guided tour to the Ethel Chocolate Factory. They have explanatory information on every window about what they're doing on each step of the process. We happened to come to the factory on a Sunday when everything was pretty much shut down, but that's okay. You still get to see where they do everything. So, in addition to the candy factory tour, they have a cactus garden here at Ethel, and it's a self-guided walking tour. That's a quick stop at the Ethel Chocolate Factory here in Henderson, Nevada. I understand they decorate this place pretty fancy in December. So that's going to wrap up our tour for today. Treat yourself to a milkshake before you leave, because why not? If you like this video, please subscribe and mash that like button below. Thank you.